Good morning, y'all. Today we are in Grand Turk, and today I want to talk about measuring your self-worth. Talking about self-worth, how much are you worth? Is it a dollar amount? Is it an emotional amount? I'm here in Grand Turk that has recently been hit by numerous hurricanes in the last few months. And everyone here is just as happy as they were before. Yes, the island's a little damaged, but they rebuild. So you gotta ask yourself, are you worth money? Or are you worth something a little more? You know, in today's society, it's so easy to try to measure ourselves by the number of followers we have or the number of likes, when self-worth really goes deeper than that. Just because you have 1 million followers on Instagram or 500,000 subscribers on YouTube doesn't mean you're worth any more to yourself. It's all about what you perceive as your worth to you, not to anyone else. So as we leave Grand Turk behind and see an island nation of people that came together during one of probably the worst storms that's ever happened to their island and make the best of it and bring back tourism to this island in such a short time, you know, it makes you wonder about your self-worth. These people didn't worry about their Instagram followers or what they did, what they needed to do to survive. Now, what does that have to do with self-worth? Well, if you put everything behind you and just worry about what you have in front of you and what you have to do, you have all the self-worth in the world. Alright guys, this has been another Motivational Monday from Grand Turk in the Caribbean. I'll see you next time. And remember, plan it, don't dream it.